Welcome to another Bite-Size PD. I'm Adele, your K-12 instructional tech coach with BNLT. Joining us today is Deanna Toxpias.
Hi, I'm Deanna, an itinerant teacher of assistive technology from LSS, otherwise known as an ITAT. The BNLT team has asked me here to talk a bit more about read and write for Google. Today, we're going to look more in depth at the play or read aloud function of read and write, and some of the creative ways in which it can be used by both teachers and students. Many of our FSL students lack adults who can speak or read French at home. The use of the play function, both at home and at school, allows them to hear more authentic French voices. They can even use the play function to orally review texts they have created themselves, helping them to develop their accents and vocabulary.
Les garçons aiment les chats.
For our ELLs, we know that auditory comprehension often comes before reading comprehension. Read and write allows students to listen to texts that are closer to grade level. The highlighting function will allow them to follow along with the read aloud.
What happened when police pulled over a self-driving car? Story by CBC Kids News.
Speed can be adjusted on an individual student's account. This is especially beneficial to our second language learners, as you tend to process your second language slower than your first. In addition, students who need more time to process oral language can turn off the continuous reading function, which will allow them to read the text one sentence at a time. Use Read Aloud in reading centers to allow students to independently review text and vocabulary words. This can be done at their desks, in a special location in the classroom, or even at home. Read Aloud understands the importance of oral text. They have built Read Aloud functions into both their prediction and check it tools. Prediction looks like this. Check it looks like this.
School.
For more information on Read and Write for Google, take a look at the ITAT website or talk to your school's ITAT.
Thank you for stopping by. If you're looking for more resources, don't forget to check out our Modern Learning website and our Bite-Size PD YouTube channel. You can always subscribe so you don't miss out on any episode. If you have something awesome to share like Deanna, or if you want something more specific, please fill out the form below this video. Take care and stay tuned for more Bite-Size PD with Deanna as our guest. Merci.